Hey everybody, today I wanted to go through with you how to create an alias in the terminal so that you can run commands using that alias and it makes your work much more efficient and you can run around the terminal like a pro. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite aliases and how to create them, and then maybe you find some of them useful, and maybe you could share some of your uh, useful aliases you've created down in the comment section below. All right, guys, let's get started. So let me pull up my list of aliases here. All right, so let's say we want a quick way to move around the desktop. I'm gonna go and change the bash profile RC file, and here's the way I get to this file. I have it in a quick keyboard maestro macro so that I can get to it quickly. And so I will select it here, and it is here. Edit terminal bash profile. That's the following. So you would do sudo nano.bash underscore profile. Then you would enter your password. And don't worry, it's not going to show. Oops, wrong password. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Let's try creating an alias for the getting to the desktop. So, let me copy this real quick. I'm copying them so I don't have take a risk of creating a typo in the bash RC profile document. So here's the first one. Now we're gonna save by hitting Control O and then enter, and then Control X to get out of the nano program. And then we're gonna exit the terminal and restart it. So we're gonna do a command Q. Now I'm gonna restart my terminal. There it is. Now I'm in the home folder right now. Let's see if my alias of DT will move me to the desktop. Okay. And yeah, sure enough, it's moved me to the desktop. I am now in the desktop location on my Mac. All right, let's do a human readable file list. You know how usually in Bash you can do an ls, and it'll give you a list of your files. So right now, all I have on the desktop are the following. LT will create a human readable alias for me. So that I can just hit LT and I'll give a list of my documents. Let's try to set it up again. And I'm going to go to the bash terminal bash profile. document again, enter the password. I'm not sure why there's a Seagate alias all of a sudden added, but never mind that. We're gonna do it this way. I'll copy this. There we go. All right. Now let's Control O, and then Control or Enter, or return on the full keyboard. Then Control X, exit, and then exit the bash terminal completely, and then restart it. And here it is. Now you can do LT, LT, and here it is. It gives you just the size of the file, which is 12 kilobytes, and then it gives you a license power manager and an Apple script. Actually, it's just the Apple script now. So it's just one file. I thought it was two. All right, let's try another alias. Here's one that will show you your IP. So you can just type my IP and it gives it to you. So I go back to the bash profile. And then I am going to go to the bash profile again and hit enter, type in my password. Yep, sure enough. And now I can use this site with a curl command to create this alias. Alright, I'm going to exit. Try it again by launching terminal. And let's see if the alias works. Obviously, I'm not going to show my IP in the video. This is just going to see if this alias works. Now it works. Alright, you guys have the idea of how the aliases work. I'm gonna clear this. And I'm gonna type in the rest of these aliases so that I can have my bash profile set up again. I deleted it so I can create this video, but one of the best ones is this ytvid. When you try to extract audio from a video, you just have to type in this alias, add a space, and then put in the URL, and it will extract the audio from whatever video you choose at the proper location. Make sure you put in the command for the location first. Alright, so now I'm going to create the rest of the bash profile. Type in the password. Okay guys, remember a Control O and then return and then a Control X seems to save. If it doesn't, just try it again. So I'm going to copy the rest of these. I'm going to paste them. Control O, return, and a Control X, and then I will quit the terminal and then restart it again. Now let's try the weather because that'll show a lot of text, the weather alias. So I just type in if it, and we can test if it's saved. So we can just type in weather. Actually, oh, why not? I can cover my location after the video. And obviously, the command needs, or the current command needs to be updated again, because now all of a sudden, when I try the video, it's not working. Let's try the cd command again. Here it is, DT. Yeah, sometimes you have to simply restart the terminal again to get them to work. Let's try the weather alias again. It's not working at this time. Alright. Anyway, guys, those are some of my favorite aliases. Let me know what your favorite aliases are. Comment, subscribe, like this video. Let me know if you find any useful aliases that I can use, or if any of mine you're currently using, especially if you try the ytmusic aliases. Alright guys, I will try to have these in the description below. Alright guys, I will talk to you in the next video.